Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Hey everyone, are you tired of your tablet dying halfway through your binge watching session? Let me tell you about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Seriously, this thing is a game changer. It's got this massive 10.9-inch screen that just makes everything pop, whether you're scrolling through Instagram or catching up on recipes while you cook. And the vision booster? It magically adjusts the brightness so you can actually see what you're doing, even in bright sunlight. Plus, the battery life is insane. I'm talking up to 16 hours of pure entertainment. Imagine finishing your entire favorite series without even thinking about a charger. And when you do need to juice it up, super fast charging gets you back in action in about 2 hours. This tablet is seriously popular, and it's easy to see why. But it's not just about watching stuff. The S Pen is incredible. It feels so smooth and responsive when you're sketching out ideas or just jotting down quick notes. And the storage on this thing is huge. We're talking up to 256 GB built-in, which means you can keep all your photos, videos, and apps without constantly worrying about deleting things. Need even more space? You can add a micro SD card for up to a whopping 2 TB. That's a lot of room for your whole digital life. The Exynos 1380 processor keeps everything running super smoothly too, so no more lag when you're multitasking. Honestly, if you're looking for a tablet that can handle everything from work to play with ease, you've got to check out the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. You won't be disappointed. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.